Hi, everyone. This is Lindsay Nyman, principal at Riverview Elementary School. I am here to share with you some amazing things our Riverview students are doing in STEM and technology. Fourth graders did their first 3D print design.
You can shrink it down.
This is super cool. Our fifth graders built an earthquake simulator and built buildings and collected data to see how long the buildings would last through an earthquake.
3, 2, 1, go. 2 seconds.
What was different that time?
It went like faster, so it went like this, and it didn't have time to like when it went back, it didn't have time to go to like.
What are you guys testing?
We're testing on like how long it would stay on when you do different speeds on it.
What are you simulating now?
An earthquake.
An earthquake? Cool.
This is about like acting like if the earthquake was shit.
Have you heard of AI? Well, it's in our world now. Our fourth graders used AI to get feedback on their writing.
So why did you make this change?
Because the AI told me that that this didn't kind of relate to Jack, so like it told me to explain how it relates to Jack.
Oh, I told you to explain how.
Like it relates to Jack.
Oh, cool. Is that part of your thesis, or is that another part of it?
Oh, yeah, that's my thesis.
Oh, it's part of your thesis. Cool.
Second graders made podcasts educating our community all about animals and adaptations. Our fifth graders are coding microbits to solve a real-world problem in the Grow Dome. They are tracking soil temperature data so they can recommend which seeds will grow best in that environment.
What's happening in your code here?
So in my code, once this loads, you can see the temperature right here, and I can adjust it, but not on the actual microbit. And it shows you the light levels every time you press B, and it shows you the temperature in Fahrenheit every time you press A.
What about this green log data stuff? What's that? Oh, you know what that's doing? Well, how did we
It
see all
logs
that
the data in the thingy. You can go to this, and it shows, and this is all the data you collected from this.
Gotcha.
We are so proud of these students for engaging in all of these STEM opportunities. We are excited to announce that we were awarded a grant from the DEF Durango Education Foundation to purchase even more STEM technology. We want to thank you all for your support. Go Eagles!